Hi, my name is Don Allen. I'm a fishing guide, and so I wanted to. We have a channel for YouTube channel for fishing and basically our RV lifestyle. But this is more oriented towards fishing, and I really wanted to show you um, something that has plagued boaters for years and years and years, and uh, myself included. And so when I started looking for solutions to hard water spots and hard water calcium buildup on my boat, I was subject to a lot of commercials and advertisements saying this is the silver bullet, and it was really quite frustrating when they were not effective at all. And so I spent a couple years trying to search for that silver bullet, and lo and behold, I spent a lot of money on that stuff. And it wasn't effective, and lo and behold, I actually found the solution to that. So I wanted to do a short video and show you how effective this is on reducing hard water spots. We all get it. We're all fishermen, and we're all gonna get it. So you can see right here, here's a hard water line where it was in the water and has built up. So this area and all of this area basically has that hard water spots. Now, so our method here is we want to take this back to its original finish, and when we're done, you'll see that this works. So, like I say, I spent a lot of money, but here it is. Lysol, Brillo, and some other manufacturers make this really, and this costs like I think it's so cheap I even forgot how much it costs. It costs less than $4. Anyway, so it contains hydrochloric acid. Before you go off and say, I can't use that on my boat, I've used this on everybody's boat and it works good. We're not leaving it on. We're putting it on to remove the hard water scum and then rinsing it. And so we don't have any of that fear. I've even seen pool owners with their heavy buildup. I recommended this product to them, and they just went crazy. How effective and thrifty it really is. So basically, I wear gloves. Basically, because it's a hydrochloric acid, it doesn't seem to bother them too much, but it is an acid, so I do use them. So what I do is I take a this open, small tab, small, there, that's enough. So I'm going to have the camera zoom in on it. Zip, see this foaming action here? This blue foaming action. And I'm not pressing hard. I'm just wiping. And so just a quick little wipe and, get your corners and stuff like that. And then what I do is I'll come back and, hey, it's back again. I wanted to show you. Normally I use hot sauce. You can use water and vinegar for the rinse process of the toilet bowl cleaner. And so I just sprayed this area here, and basically and I'll just wipe it off. You can use water if you wanted to. I just happen to have this handy, and it works pretty good. So this is a cleaned area, and I think that you can start to see the difference between what was on the boat and the final product right here. Now you can use this on all aspects of the water spotting. You can see that. We have some here with the water weep coming out of it here. And I'm just going to do this again. Remember, I'm not putting a lot of stuff on here. So you can see that it's starting to foam. See the foaming action here. And I will get this more okay, we got that. We'll take a little of the hot sauce and we'll spray that and we'll wipe that down. Now, obviously, I'm going to do a much better job, but this is more of demonstration of its effectiveness and what we're doing. This is really thrifty stuff, and you don't have to use 5,000 gallons or spend $200 on product. I want you to see how effective that is in taking that off, and it will do this the entire surface of the boat, all the motors and all the stuff. Remember, we're not leaving hydrochloric acid on. This particular product from Lysol is 9.5% hydrochloric acid, and you can get higher concentrates of it, but why? It's not necessary. It works instantly, and it'll take off almost all the water spots on your boat. That heavy hard water buildup that boats get sitting in the water, it will take it off in a heartbeat. So here we go. You can see that this area, which I have done, basically returned to brand new. Its factory service is right here. And so this is easy peasy, but more importantly, it is effective, and you're not spending a fortune on some product that may take off some minor water spotting. But so the safety tips there is use gloves, and you can use eye protection. I use my wraparound sunglasses and stuff like that. So I know that some of you have struggled trying to find how to take off those water spots. And I've used it on every surface. This is an aluminum boat, and I've used it on fiberglass. And like I say, even some pool owners have used it on their tile. So get back with us. Tell us how this worked for you. Or just share some input in the comments below on the video. Again, Don Allen, I'm a fishing guide here, and this is our YouTube channel at RVersLife.com, and I hope this helps your boat maintenance and bringing your boat back to factory fresh.